Good morning to all of you. Today we will see another concept related with gene interactions, that is the supplementary gene interactions and their example. First of all, we will see the supplementary gene interactions. It is observed in guinea pigs and rats. In these interactions, there are two independent pairs of genes involved in such a manner that one dominant factor produces its effect whether the other is present or not, while a second one produces its effect only in presence of first factor. This represents another type of interactions between the two gene pairs. The supplementary gene effect can be studied in a coat color mice. In a mice, the wild type agouti is characterized by a black and yellow color banding hairs. This trait was a capital C, which is the fundamental gene for the development of color. The agouti pattern develops only when both dominant alleles are present, that is the capital C and capital A, but when a capital C is present without capital A, the yellow color disappears and hairs turns to black. The gene capital A affects the color pattern only when a small c is also present. Therefore, the two dominant genes have an additive effect and the type of interaction is called as the effect of supplementary factors. The albino mice with the white colored hairs developed when both dominant alleles, that is the capital A and capital C, are absent, or if a capital A alone present when a cross was made between black mice, that means the capital C, small a, and albino mice, that is the small c, capital A. In the F1 generation, all are agouti, that is the capital C, small c, capital A, small a. This F1 hybrid produces four types of the gametes. There is the capital C, capital A, capital C, small c, capital A, and small c, small a. When you studied the cross between the two parents, that is the black mice crossed with albino mice, their gametes of black mice, that is the capital C, small a, and albino mice, that is the small a and capital A. When you made a cross in between the two ones, the F1 which is produced, the gametes are the capital C, small c, capital A, small a, and that hybrid which is the agouti one. The F1 hybrid produces four types of the gametes, that is the capital C, capital A, capital C, small a, small c, capital A, small c, small a. In the F1 generation, when self-crossed, the F2 progenies under ratio, that is the 9:3:4. In the F2 generation, there is a 9 agoutis are formed, black 3 offsprings are formed, and 4 albino offsprings are formed. When you observe the checkerboards, in a checkerboards you observe that while the two dominant alleles are present, that means the capital C and capital A, all these are the agoutis one, but a one which is absent one, ultimately there is a development of a black color, and the remaining one, these are the albinos, while the one gene which is absent one. Thank you.